Hello dear friends, my name is Jitendra Bafna. I am a senior MuleSoft architect. In this video, we are going to see what is a group by, order by and the plug operator. So basically group by operator is used to group the object in an array basically. So basically what you can do, basically if you want like all the employee within the same department, you want to group those employee within the same department, you can use the group by operator. The second, order by. So basically order by is used to order the object, okay, either ascending or descending depending on specified criteria. The plug is basically, it's similar to map object. Okay, in plug it always convert a object into the array. So let go to the MuleSoft documentation. Let's start learning like what are the different parameters taken by group by. So group by return an object that groups the item from array based on the specific criteria such and the expression on the matching selector. So basically this is group by function which take the array which can return the or like which can access the item and the index, and it always return array. Okay, for example, so here like ABC, I have a three element in my array. I'm grouped by item comma index, so basically it will group all the element like on basis of index. So 2 like C, like 2 is index, so basically there are three index, 0 for A, 1 for B, C for like 2 for C. So it is grouping on the basis of the index. Okay, so as I mentioned, the plug is useful to convert the object into array. A plug iterate over an object and returns in the array of key, value and indices from the object. So basically it can access value, key and the index, and it always return the array. It is alternative to map object which is similar but return an object instead of array. Okay, whereas like basically plug function return an array, whereas like map object return always return an object. That's the only difference. Now order by. So basically it reorders the element of the input using this criteria that act on the selected element of that input. It can access value and the key, so you can either order on the basis of key or either you can access on the basis of value. Okay, the first thing is always a value, the second parameter is always a key. So let's start. I will move to the data wave playground. So let me copy this particular employees data. So this is my employee data in the XML format. First I will convert that employee data into the payload, into JSON payload. So I can simply write payload, so it will be converted into JSON. Now I want to group this employee on the basis of the department, so I can say employee payload dot employees. So this is my employees, the first tag. Under employees there can be multiple employees, so star employee. Okay, so you can see it like there are three objects into a single array. Now I want to group on the basis of department, group by. So how you can say access $.dep. So you can see under like it has grouped by on the basis of department. IT is the tag which is created automatically. Under the IT you can see there are the two object. Under science there are one object, you can verify from here. So science have like only one employee with science department, two employee with IT department. Let me do some more thing, no? So I will add something called physics. So it should create one more tag which is physics. I will add this also under physics. This is J1, J2, whatever. So now you can see there are three different department, so under IT department two employee, under science department one employee, under physics department there are two employee. So now I just want to know the department, I want to return the array of the department. So you can use the plug function to get the array of only department. So I can use plug $. So it will return me array of the department basically. Okay, simple. or if you want to only access the data, so you can access the data. It will remove the tag, depart the tag which is automatically created. If you use dollar, it will just access the data, so or basically object. If you can see it like but it is properly grouped. So basically all the IT is within the same array, all with science within the same array or within the same group, all with the physics department within the same group. Okay, so this is how you can access it. Now if you can even like you can use the order by, so you can use order by dollar. So you can like order by your dollar means department basically. I know okay, so we will see some more example. So this is just a simple one. Let me take some complex example. So I have order. So you can see I have order from, I want to like group the order on the basis of country. Okay, so on the basis of country. So I have country India, I have country UK, I have country US. So it should create three groups and it should like group order on basis of country. So let me copy this, okay, and let me paste it here. Okay, let me remove this particular code. So my payload is converted into JSON. So now I have 5 stack orders. Under orders we can have multiple order. So I can say orders dot star order. So you can see that now I want to group by using dollar dot country. So you can see I have group using country. So under India we have a two orders. Under US we have a one order. Under UK again we have a two orders, right? Now I just want to plug, or I just want to know the unique countries, array of the countries. So you can use plug dollar, but I want the data. So this is all my data. Okay, so like this is properly grouped according to country, so but it removed the tag, but like all India within the same group, all with the country US under the same group, or orders with country UK is under the same group. Now I want to know like how many records in that particular country. Okay, and like I want to know the country, number of records in that country, and the data and the orders within that country. How? So now you want to iterate through the array to know those things. So you can use map function. Map take two parameters, items comma index. Okay, and you can use the lambda expression curly bracket. So now I want to know total records in country wise, total records. So I can use size of function, and the size of function I can pass items. So total record is 2, total record is 1, total record is 2. Okay, so in India it's 2, US it's 1, UK again 2. So now I want to know the country also. So what I can do, country, for accessing the country I can say items dot country. So now you get the country also, but if you see we are getting the array of country, right? But I just want single country, so I can just use 0. So now you got total record, you got the country. Okay, and now the third thing, I want all the orders. So I can say order, simply I can say items. So you get total record, country, and the number of orders within that country. Okay, so you can see that. So my country is India, 2 records. This is order 1, this is order 2. The country US, it have a 1 record order. Country UK, it have a 2 orders, right? So that is how you can access the order. Now the problem, like I want to like arrange that order according to total records. So what I can do, I can use something called order by size of dollar. So now you can see US is on the top. So this is it arranged in the ascending order. Okay, so total record 1. Now country with India, total record 2. Country with India, total record 2. But I want to arrange this in the descending order, in the reverse order. So in that case, what you can do, you can simply use minus in front of this. So now the total India will come on the top, total record 2, total records 2 in the UK, and the US gone down basically below. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like and the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.